everyone, Chubby12 here, and welcome back to another food review. Today we are checking out the all-new pumpkin pie blizzard. Finally doing this blizzard. I've been wanting to do this since the release. I never got the chance to do it up until now. So let's celebrate October with something amazing. So this looks amazing. There's whipped cream on top, but we want to know with the blizzard if it tastes like anything like pumpkin pie. And I love pumpkin pie, so let's have a little bit of the whipped cream. Let's try this. Wow. I am not disappointed. This tastes exactly like if I had taken a bite of a pumpkin pie. And there's like pieces of crust in here with the whipped cream on top. It really does it. This is amazing. All I can say is pumpkin heaven. This definitely tastes like I just took a bite of a pumpkin pie. You get that nutmeg, that pumpkin spice, the creaminess from the whipped cream. And the actual blizzard itself is orange, so that's awesome. I'm not sure if they have anything like pumpkin puree in here, but this tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. 100% satisfying. Dairy Queen, this is amazing. No, you probably can't keep this on your menu all year long, but I would definitely get this again. I'm definitely going to have to go back and get another one before they discontinue this. That Dairy Queen soft serve. I think it's graham crackers because I'm getting little bits of graham crackers in here. It could be graham crackers. It could also be like bits of pie crust. But it definitely does have that graham cracker taste to it. It's like buttery and crumbly. Like Thanksgiving's right around the corner. This definitely makes me feel like that it's fall, and of course it's almost Thanksgiving. That's what it's starting to feel like. More like Thanksgiving each and every day, especially with this. My overall thoughts right now on this new pumpkin pie blizzard, fantastic. Everything I would ever want in a pumpkin pie, I'm getting it in ice cream. It's like combining two of the best of both worlds, pumpkin pie and ice cream. Combine them two together, you get the best of both worlds. The ice cream is so creamy, very flavorful and pumpkin spice. That graham cracker or pie crust in the blizzard, it's definitely buttery, it's crumbly, it's delicious, not overly sweet. The whipped cream really does it. I think it just enhances the actual flavor of the pumpkin spice, which just makes it feel more like eating a pumpkin pie. Total recommend. If you love pumpkin pie, you guys got to check out the pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. My question to you guys, have you guys tried the pumpkin pie blizzard? If you guys have, let me know in the comment section below on what you guys thought about it. For ratings, 5 out of 5 from me to you all day. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. As always, if you guys want to see more blizzard reviews, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe as always, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a review. All my links to all my social media in the description. So until next time, peace out. Yeah.